Day 67. So I decided not to take this risky zigzagging mountain road to Lake Titlan. When it rains, it's very steep, and the first gear is not enough to brake to slow down, so you have to apply brakes. And in my case, if I apply brakes when I'm on the first gear, as experience showed, I will fall. So instead I will go suggested way by custom officer who is biker as well. It's gonna be a bit of loop, but it's smooth road, so I will be faster there. I need to find a lower headlight bulb and ATM. Are we good to go?
The shortest distance from Pruda Bay to Ushuaia is 22,000 kilometers. I was just 100 kilometers short, and yet only in Guatemala.
Guatemala City. I was driving for like quite long. My headlight is not working since yesterday, and I was thinking drive just until darkness, but it was just 100 kilometers left till Guatemala City, where I can just check in the hostel and rest, wash my stuff and Wi-Fi. So I kept on going, and it was dark, dust, rain, wind, cars, trucks, and I made it. So I'm here. It's amazing hostel, man. This is just amazing hostel. I mean, hostel with a pool. With the pool. That's crazy, and I just see it, man, the pool view, man. And he checked me in the room where I'm alone, man. And I'm tired. Driving in the darkness. Not really nice. My front wheel is still wobbling. Imagine 4,000 miles, it's still there. The beat is still into the fucking dream, man. The drone is just fucking playing some games, I don't know. I just switched it on and I saw the fire coming from the drone, man. What the fuck is that? Out of nothing, man, it's I swear. It just, man, I don't know, man. Something burned inside of it. I swear, man.